Welcome to the third video in the Ranorex Studio Quick Start series. In this video, you'll learn how to record an automated test. The following guidelines will help make your recording session successful. Verify that the screen resolution is set to 100% on the display that you will use for recording. A higher resolution can cause issues with locating elements in the application under test. If you have multiple displays, the screen resolution must be the same on each display. Close all applications except for Ranorex Studio. If you want to use the Ranorex user guide or watch this video while recording, open them on another machine or on a tablet. While recording, perform user actions with only the mouse. For example, don't use the tab key to navigate between fields. Click every step. If necessary, click the pause button to temporarily stop recording. Now, let's record your first test. Open the first test solution. If you don't have one, watch the previous video in this series to see how to create it. Also, check that the Ranorex Studio demo app is running. If it isn't, simply locate the executable file in your Downloads folder and double-click the executable file to start it. Double-click on the Recording 1 module to open it in the File view. Click Record. Ranorex Studio minimizes automatically, and the Ranorex Recorder controls appear. Move your mouse over the user interface elements in the demo app. Notice the red box, which appears as the Ranorex Spy tool automatically identifies UI elements. Click the Enter Your Name text field, type Harry, and click Submit. Notice that your actions appear instantly in the recording history. Here, you can hover over the eye to see the screenshot for an action, or click the trash can to delete an action. It's also possible to add some types of actions manually. Now, let's add a validation to check that the welcome message shows the name that you just entered. To add a validation, click Validate. Highlight the welcome message. Look for the purple frame indicating that the UI element has been identified, then click it. The Select Element window opens. Verify that the screenshot shows the correct element to validate, then click Next. In the Validation Settings window, select which attributes to validate. Exists and Text should be selected. Click OK to confirm and return to recording mode. Now, press the Stop button to stop recording. Your recorded test steps appear in the Action Editor. Here, you can edit the recorded steps or even delete them if you wish. Finally, close the Ranorex Studio demo app. Watch the next video in this series for an explanation of the Action Editor and the Ranorex Object Repository.